Designed to last a lifetime, or two, Manduka PRO series yoga mats curb the amount of PVC mats that enter landfills every year and reduces overall mat consumption. Check out our lifetime. During the manufacturing of most PVC products, toxic emissions may be released into the air. However, PRO series mats are manufactured through a process that ensures no toxic emissions are released into the atmosphere. The Manduka PRO is certified safe for human contact by OEKO-TEX *, a material certification agency in Europe for the textile industry. Top reviews from the United States. Great mat, read for tips to get rid of slipperiness. This mat is durable, lightweight, and comfortable. I would like it if it was slightly thicker, but I still don't feel like it's too thin. If you want a thicker mat and you won't be carrying your yoga mat to and from daily classes like I am, I would recommend a regular PRO. Because I carry this around with me a lot, the PROlite made more sense. Onto the slipperiness. This mat, like every yoga mat I've ever bought, is slippery at first. My suggestion is to not try the salt method they recommend and instead put your yoga mat in the bathtub and wash it with a gentle dish soap or a gentle laundry detergent. Trust me. This works 100x better than that weird salt method the company tells you to do. Do this 1-3x and your mat will be perfect. I washed and scrubbed mine with dish soap once, and a gentle laundry detergent the second time, and it was perfect. No slipping at all, even in hot yoga. I have used this method with every brand of yoga mat I've owned, and it does not damage your mat, and it will save you a lot of hassle and slipping.